Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to reschedule flight ticket on Airasia. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Airasia account, which of course I have done right here. And then the next thing is, how can you create an account on Airasia? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice, indicate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type airasia.com, and that's going to take you into the official website for Airasia. Once you get into the website, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after signing in successfully, that's going to take you into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Airasia. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's stats, and that is how to reschedule flight ticket on Airasia. For us to do that, we need to chat with Bo. From the bottom right corner of your screen, click on Chat with Bo, and that takes you right into this window. We're waiting for Bo to respond, and we will just follow through the prompts. Now in here, select Airasia flight. Choose your carrier code. Now click on Booking Changes. So you have guest details, update, flight change, refund request, add-ons, and back to previous menu. Click on flight change. If there's been any disruption on your Airasia flight, like a cancellation, delay, or rescheduling, I'll help you find a new flight and get back on track. If you're making a change voluntarily, I can guide you through the options and any fees involved. So click on voluntary change. And that's it. You have all of these options provided by Bo. So if you want to, so you can say, if you don't want any of this, just say, Bo, help me change my flight. So read all of this information, and once you read all this information, check yes or no, and just continue. That way, Bo is going to help you reschedule your flight ticket on Airasia. So there's actually a recommendation provided by Bo, which is to click on purchases, and from purchases, click on change flight. Once you click on change flight, then you should be able to reschedule from there. So I'm going to go back. Then here's where you find purchases from your home screen. Click on purchases, and that takes you into your orders window. So once you get in there, you're going to find the flight organized here as date, depart, origin, arrive, destination, booking number, and status. So right next to status, you're going to find the three dots menu. Click on the three dots menu. You're going to see a couple of options. Click on change flight. Once you click on change flight, then you should be able to reschedule your flight from there. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.